Hello everyone, my name is Paulo and this is Belgo Tours. Today I will show you the MONT DES ARTS. MONT DES ARTS in French, Kunstwerk in Dutch, it is one of the most beautiful places in the city. The MONT DES ARTS offers a wonderful panorama of both the upper and the lower part of the city. Before talking about its construction, let's imagine what this place was like in ancient times. This is the Coldenberg Hill, and at the top there was the Palace of the Dukes of Brabant, one of the most beautiful royal homes in Europe. By the 13th century, the defensive castle will soon become a center for diplomacy and politics in the city. Charles V, the most powerful emperor in the West, was in charge of much of the development of the palace. Finally, in the time of Maria Elizabeth of Austria,
specifically in 1731, it went up in flames in a night of accidental tragedy, destroying more than the half of this magnificent palace.
The original park in front of the palace was created at Leopold II's request. It had the architectural design as we see it now. Today, it can be a place for romance, but it is also the place where the people of Brussels walk and celebrate life.